Celebrating World Environment Day, our pledge to a sustainable future, as we join the global community in celebrating World Environment Day. This year's theme, Ecosystem Restoration, resonates deeply with us at CONCLO. Here's a look at what we pledge to do this year to make a tangible difference. Enhancing water conservation. As Team CONCLO's 2024 will focus on. We are happy to say that as a part of the Water Conference 2024 we had met the Metro Man Mrs. E. Sridharan Sir, and Team CONCLO is collaborating with FOB for supporting projects that restore wetlands and protect water bodies in our community, installing water-efficient fixtures and promoting water-saving practices in all our community. Utilizing rainwater harvesting systems to reduce reliance on municipal water supplies. Employee and community engagement. Sustainability is a collective effort. Foster partnerships with local educational institutions and organizations to promote environmental stewardship. Our first team-up is planned in July 2024 with the prestigious Ashtangam Ayurveda Chikitsalayam and Vidyapeetham. Launch educational programs in July 2024 and workshops to raise awareness about environmental issues among our employees and the wider community. Encourage volunteerism by offering paid time off for employees to participate in environmental conservation activities. Supporting biodiversity. As Team CONCLO, our efforts for 2024 will focus on participating in and sponsoring local tree planting and reforestation projects. Creating green spaces within and around our facilities to provide habitats for wildlife. Advocating for and supporting conservation efforts in collaboration with environmental organizations. Happy World Environment Day. Our commitment. We understand that our actions today will shape the world of tomorrow. On this World Environment Day, we reaffirm our pledge to protect and restore our environment. Together with our employees, partners, and communities, we are determined to make a lasting impact. Join us on this journey towards a greener, healthier, and more sustainable future. Every effort counts, and together, we can create a world where both people and nature thrive.
If you're enjoying our content and haven't already subscribed, we would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button right now. By subscribing, you'll be notified every time we upload a new video, so you won't miss a thing. See you in the next video.